My name is Ken McKenzie. I'm the International Sales Manager at HUBER, looking after the Asia Pacific region. Today we're showing our new KISS range of circulators, KISS meaning keeping innovation safe and simple. The KISS controller is our entry-level controller, our most simple controller, and we use it on our very basic benchtop temperature control systems. The KISS circulators are also intended to bring a splash of colour into the lab. The colours, although they're red, black and blue, have absolutely no bearing on the temperature range of the unit. The KISS range is aimed at simple benchtop applications over a temperature range of -30 to 250 degrees centigrade. Of course, depending on the temperature range will dictate the unit and the kind of thermal fluid that's used. The features of the unit: we don't compromise on materials. They're all made of stainless steel construction, so the lifetime is a long time. The chic colours, we have red, blue and black. And at the top here we can see these covers protecting the interfaces, the process-based PT100, RS232 interface and the USB device port. So it's easy to communicate with, both for using and also for running diagnostic files when it comes time for a service. The interfaces can be used by the user to make recordings of the process, but they can also be used to run diagnostic files remotely. So if the customer has either a requirement for a routine service or he has a problem with the unit, we can run a diagnostic file. He sends that file to us by email, and then we can diagnose what's wrong with the machine or simply give it a service from this diagnostic file. The display on the KISS controller is designed, of course, so the customer can very easily and very quickly see the information they need to see. They can see the temperature of the bath, of course, the set point, and if they need to, they can also look at the process temperature if it's connected to an external device such as a reactor or fermenter and so on. The KISS range, even though it is our most basic and entry-level units, come equipped with a pressure and suction pump, which means to the user that can be connected to external open or external closed applications, giving a new dimension of flexibility. This unit is one of the most basic units. It's a heating-only bath. It's good for ambient +5 degrees centigrade up to +200 degrees centigrade. It comes together with the ability to upgrade this unit. So although in its current form this unit is used for internal applications, it can be easily upgraded so it can run an external application such as a bioreactor or viscometer and so on, just by adding the optional pump adapter. It can also be used at temperatures below ambient by simply adding either a cooling coil or a cold finger